Today we have to discuss application of integrals. In the application of integrals, what we have to do, as we all know, the meaning of integration is that when you are integrating something, that if you are integrating fx dx, this one is a small element. With respect to this one, you are integrating this one. But when you can talk about definite integral, you have a boundaries like a to b, right? After the result, you will get fx plus c. So according to that, fx a to b, that one is fb minus fa. Is it clear? This kind of things going on in the definite integral. But in the application of integral, we have to study about the geometry. We have to use the formula. Clear? So we have a different type of a curve also on the axis. We have a ordinate and abscissa also. So when you can talking about ordinate and abscissa, you can talk about x-axis and y-axis. So when you can talk about x-axis and y-axis and you are getting any curve, I want to confirm one thing, that when you are getting the curve, right, you are getting this kind of curve. Okay? If you are getting this kind of a axis, here this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis. This one is y dash and here you are getting it x dash. Is it clear? Now we have a different type of a curve, geometrical curves we have. Like if you can get this type of curve, here. In the same way, if you are getting this type of curve, here it passing through the origin, clear? And whatever the region they are capturing in this axis, x and y axis, clear? We have to calculate that here areas. Is it clear? Whatever the areas they have taken, we have to calculate it. In the same way, if you can talk about the circle, if you can talk about the circle, you know the equation of a circle. Is it clear? You know the equation of a circle. Is it clear? If this one is a circle, if you can take it, you know the equation of a circle. In the same way, if you are getting this circle, you have to calculate it. What will be the area? The standard region. It will be like the standard region is this one. You have to calculate the area. Before it, we have only a formula of mensuration. जो हमने mensuration में formulas पढ़े हैं, उसका यूज करके हम ऐसे standard region के areas निकालते थे. Now we have to use integration and we have to calculate the standard region area. Is it clear? So we have to use the integration and we have to calculate the standard region area. For this type of calculation, what we have to do? Application of integrals in that, what we have to do? Let us suppose you are taking a triangle also. Here, if you are taking a triangle, आपने ये triangle लिया, triangle ऐसे, इसके points कुछ और आप लिखेंगे a, b, a1, b1. यहाँ पे आप point लिखेंगे a2, b2. Is it clear? Here you have point 0, 0. Is it clear? So you are getting a1, b1 and you are getting a2, b2. Is it clear? You are getting it. You will write the point. You have to calculate its standard region and you have to calculate the standard region area. आपको standard region areas क्या करना है? Calculate करना है. You have to calculate standard region area. So when you have to calculate the standard region areas, clear? You have to do it. Clear? You have to go for a standard region areas and you have to calculate it. Clear? So इसको calculate करने के लिए what we have to do? You have to use our mind that how we have to first complete the points. How we have to first complete this point. We have to complete this point. Clear? You have to calculate this point. Then you have to use your mind that from which area you have to minus it. What difference we have to calculate? Clear? किस एरिया को किस में से माइनस करें तो स्टैंडर्ड रीजन एरिया निकल जाएगा. क्लियर? क्योंकि हो सकता है ये से कुछ और आ रहा हो, यहाँ से यहाँ ये से कुछ और आ रहा हो. क्लियर? You have to calculate it. Clear? But when you can talk about area under simple curve, clear? When you are taking the strip, clear? The main point is that taking of a strip. When you are taking it, clear? When you can take the strip, area of bounded region, जो इसका name है actual area of bounded region, clear? When you are taking the strip, let us suppose if you are talking about this one y-axis and if you are talking about this one is x-axis. Is it clear? If you can take this one like this and if you can take this one, you are getting like this. Is it clear? अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ मिलता है, like you are getting y equal to fx, you are getting, Let us suppose you have something. Now you have a point that PQRS is the point you are taking. Then you are taking this one is P, this one is Q, this one is R, this one is S. Now what I will do in that, you can do the second. This one is in simultaneous. Is it clear? Simultaneous. Now this one is P, this one is Q, this one is R, this one is S. Is it clear? This one is in simultaneous. Is it clear? If you can talk about y equal to FF, you have to take the strip. Let us suppose you have taken this strip. You have taken strip on this one. आपने strip लिया, strip आपने कहाँ लिया? स्ट्रिप इसके ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर है. दिस स्ट्रिप इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. माइंड इट, सबसे मेन है. दिस स्ट्रिप इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. हियर इट विल बी एज योर dx. दिस स्ट्रिप विल बी परपेंडिकुलर ऑन एक्स एक्सिस. दिस विल बी dx. आपने इसको क्या ले लिया? dx लेंगे. विल टेक इट एज अ dx. इज इट क्लियर? दिस विल बी स्ट्रिप विल बी परपेंडिकुलर. दिस विल बी dx. इज इट क्लियर? Now if this will be dx, here you are talking about x equal to a. That x equal to a, and here if you can take x equal to b. Is it clear? Here if you can take x equal to a, and here if you can take x equal to b. Is it clear? If you can take x equal to a, and then if you take x equal to b. Is it clear? X equal to a, and this one is the point x equal to. Why we have taken this one? X equal to a, and this one is x equal to b. Here is the strip dx. आपने स्ट्रिप कहाँ लिया हुआ है? एक्स एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर. तो इस वजह से ये स्ट्रिप क्या बोली जाएगी? dx स्ट्रिप. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द पॉइंट. क्लियर? अब आपको पॉइंट्स राइट करना है. जहाँ आप स्ट्रिप लिए हैं, क्लियर, उसके रिवर्स पॉइंट्स राइट करें. व्हाटएवर द स्ट्रिप्स यू हैव टेकन, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू हैव टू राइट द रिवर्स पॉइंट. इज इट क्लियर? व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटीग्रेशन, अगर आप ए निकालेंगे, ए का मतलब क्या है? एरिया टोटल एरिया, ए का टोटल एरिया. You can integrate dA. Our dA को integrate करने में क्या आएगा? Yeah. Now we have to point what we have to take here and what we have to take here. This will be A and this will be B. Because this distance is equal to A and this distance is equal to B. Is it clear? This distance is equal to A and this distance is equal to B. Is it clear? Okay. Not this distance, not this distance and not this distance. Is it clear? मैंने क्या बोला? This distance is x equal to A and this one is x equal to B. Clear? So this point x equal to a, and then you are talking about x equal to b. Clear? So when you can take dx here, remember, you will take the points of y. जब आप dx लेंगे तो y वाले points राइट करेंगे. ये एक ट्रिक है याद रखिए. When you can take dy, you can write the points of our axis. Clear? जब आप dy लेंगे, so you can write the point of x. In the same way, if I will write this thing, if I will change it, what I will get? अगर मैं इसको change करता हूँ, if I will change that curve, so if I will make this curve, this one y axis and this one x axis. Is it clear? Getting my point? Now what we have to do? We have to take the strip. You have to take the strip. You will take the strip. This strip. ध्यान से देखो. ये strip आया है ना, ये रेडीमेड. रेडीमेड. अगर आप यहाँ पे fx या डिवाइड ये इक्वल ये स्ट्रिप आपने क्या लिया है? y इक्वल. If you are taking it out of y, here y equal to c, here y equal to ये कहाँ से कहाँ होगा? स्ट्रिप जिस एक्सिस पे पैरेलल हो, परपेंडिकुलर हो, सर उसका स्मॉल एलिमेंट है। स्ट्रिप का मतलब भी क्या होता है? एक स्मॉल एलिमेंट। जैसे ये बोर्ड है, अब इस बोर्ड का ध्यान से देखिए, एरिया बाउंड्री का ध्यान से देखिएगा इस बोर्ड को। इफ आई विल टेक दिस बोर्ड, if I will take this board, is it clear? If I will take this board, what will we do in this board? If I will take this one, and if I will take this strip like this, अगर मैं ये strip, and if I will take this strip, is it clear? If I will take this strip, and if I will take this strip, is it clear? ये जो है ये आपका y एक्सिस है, ये आपका क्या है? x एक्सिस। ये स्ट्रिप जो है x एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर है, ये स्ट्रिप जो है y एक्सिस के परपेंडिकुलर है। This one is dy, this one is dx. Getting my point? This is the meaning of the strip. Now you have to take the points. Point will be reverse. If you are taking dy, you have to take x axis, and if you are taking dx, you have to take y axis. Getting my point? This is the main trick in this area. Is it clear? Any doubt at all? Now about the formula. First you have to take the strip. Strip will always perpendicular to the x axis. जिस एक्सिस के स्ट्रिप परपेंडिकुलर होगा वो y एलिमेंट लिया जाएगा, पॉइंट उसका रिवर्स एक्सिस करना है। बस यही ट्रिक है एरिया बाउंड का। और दूसरा ट्रिक है, जो क्वेश्चन आएगा, आई विल टेल हाउ टू माइनस एन एरिया बाउंड इज गुड फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी। टू मच क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन। लेट अस सपोज यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन that I will take the first example as a example. I will tell you all the scenarios that find the area enclosed, find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. By the circle x square, the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Is it clear? X square plus y square is equal to a square. Is it clear? So we have to do this thing. X square plus y square is equal to a square. If you can take this one. Is it clear? If you can take this one. Now we have a circle x square plus y square equal to a square. So first of all you have to make a circle. आप एक सर्कल find the area enclosed by the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. आपको एरिया निकालना है कि जो भी ये सर्कल इनक्लोज कर रहा है उसका एरिया आपको निकालना है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू विल डू, you will take a as a radius. X square plus y square equal to r square. R will be in general equation. R is will be the radius. In the same way यहाँ पर a क्या है? Radius. जब a आपका radius है तो point A की बात करेंगे आप, point B की बात करेंगे, point A की बात करेंगे x एक्सिस की, x का जो रेडियस होगा a, 0 और जो y पे रेडियस होगा तो 0, है राइट। यहाँ पर क्या होगा a, 0, यहाँ पर क्या होगा 0, a। यहाँ पर y एक्सिस पे जा रहा है x क्या है 0 है, यहाँ पर x एक्सिस पे जा रहा है y क्या है 0 है। तो पहले इस क्वाड्रेंट का हम एरिया निकालेंगे, इस क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया निकालेंगे और उस एरिया को अगर 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो ये सारा क्या हो जाएगा कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा। नाउ वी विल डू वन थिंग, वी विल टेक दिस स्ट्रिप, इज इट क्लियर? तो ये पहले मैं सैडेड रीजन बना रहा हूं. फर्स्ट आई विल मेक इट इन अ सैडेड फॉर्म. Getting my point? Right? If I calculate this area and it will be multiplied with 4, it will be calculated. Standard region. Now if I take the strip. Strip आपने किस पे लिया? X axis से perpendicular. So this will be ds. Any doubt? Clear हो गया strip लेना? This will be ds. Why we are taking strip? We are taking strip to take the point. Clear? This will be perpendicular on the x axis. So it will be ds, right? You have to calculate whole area enclosed by the given circle. The whole area enclosed by the given circle is equal to 4 multiplied with area of the region AOBA. This one is AOBA. This one is O0, AOBA. Is it clear? 4 multiplied with area enclosed by area enclosed by AOB. Is it clear? इसको पूरा मल्टीप्लाई कर दे और इस एरिया को निकाल के मल्टीप्लाई कर दे. So it will be done. Is it clear? So 4 into area enclosed by AOB. That you are getting this one as a y-axis. Now what we have to do? This strip is parallel to y-axis and perpendicular to x-axis. So we will take the point of y. हम किसका पॉइंट लेंगे? y. अब कैसे लेंगे? जैसे आपने लिया इंटीग्रेशन y dx. अब देखो आपने y dx किया, दिस विल बी y dx, मतलब y dx, dx स्टेप लिया, y लिया. अब देखो लिखना शुरू. That we have to calculate the area. Clear? जो भी एरिया आएगा वो 4 से क्या हो जाएगा? मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. Is it clear? It will be multiplied by 4. अगर स्टार्टिंग में ही जैसे इसको लिखोगे, clear? That will be 4 multiplied 4 इंटीग्रेशन y. यहाँ पे dx यहाँ y काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है. तो y को किसमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा? x. You have to change y into x. You have to change y into x. From here, you will get x square plus y square is equal to a square. So y square is equal to a square minus x square. Y is equal to root a square minus x square. Is that clear? Y is equal to root a square minus x square. Y is equal to root a square minus x square. Is that clear? Y is equal to root a square minus x square. Now we will put here. Directly we will put here. You will get 4 integration on the place of the y root a square minus x square dx. Now it changes into dx. Is it clear? Any doubt? Now we have to write the points. Here we have to write the point. Root a square minus x square as the region AOBA lies in the first quadrant. Y is taken as positive. If it is in the first quadrant, x will be positive and y will be positive. So when you get integrate, you will get the whole area. 0 to a. 0 to a means how you will take 0 to a. Starting from 0, you will go from to there. 0 is the what the meaning of 0? The initial point. A क्या होगा? A रेडियस है. A इसका क्या है? रेडियस है. उससे ज़्यादा तो किसी ना इस पर हम जा रहे हैं और ना इस पर जा रहे हैं. They are not going on this point and they are not going on this point. 0 to a इस पर भी जा रहे हैं और 0 to a हम किस पर जा रहे हैं? इस पर भी जा रहे हैं. जबकि you can take 0 to a. Clear हो? अब इसका इंटीग्रेशन आपको पता है x by 2 डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला है x by 2 रूट a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर प्लस साइन इनवर्स x by 2 साइन इनवर्स x by a प्लस directly you know very well about this formula and then you will put the value 0 to 8 and then multiply it with 4 you will get. This one is only the example. Clear? After this I will start the questions. If you want to write, write. Now we have a second type of question. This one is a general question. Now we have a different type of question. History clear हो गया? History कैसे क्या करना? Now we have a different type of question. Find the area enclosed by the left x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Is it clear? ऐसा मान लो कि क्वेश्चन. Find the area enclosed by x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Is it clear? So, what we have to do is the solution. We have to go for 4 into area of region A or B. First we will make a ellipse. Is it clear? When we will make a ellipse, we will make it like this. Is it clear? X axis y x dash y dash. Is it clear? This one is A, B, C, D. Now we will write the points. Point A, point B, point C, point D. Point A means you are talking about x axis. 3, 3. Here we have x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. इसका मतलब ये होता है x पे केवल पॉइंट्स की बात करते हैं और y पे भी किसकी बात करते हैं b पॉइंट्स की. That you are talking about points b. Clear? So y equal to b you are talking about. So here if you can write it will be 0 comma. Here if you can write what you will get minus a comma 0. Here if you write what you will get 0 comma minus. Getting my point? Negative axis, positive axis. Now we have to find out the area enclosed by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. First of all we have to go for this area. ellipse मैंने सही से बनाया नहीं है, बनाऊंगा तो ऐसा बराबर है. ये इससे बराबर है, ये इससे और ये इससे सब बराबर है. अगर मैं इसकी एरिया निकालूं, if I will complete this area, if I will complete this area, first of all what we have to do, we have to take the straight. Straight perpendicular है. ये क्या है? y. Getting my point? ये सिंपल सा है. 4 multiply with area enclosed by A, B, C. Area equal 4 into A, O, B, A. A, O, B. पूरे एरिया को निकाल के 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया जाए. इस पूरे एलिप्स का एरिया क्या हो जाएगा, निकल जाएगा। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ 0 to y dx we will take 4 integration y dx, 4 integration y dx, 4 integration y dx means here we have a dx. Here if you talk about dx, what the meaning is? This y dx you have first change into y, इसको पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, y भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा। पॉइंट समझो लास्ट में 0 to a, यहाँ पर y लिया है और इसको y की वैल्यू हम कर देंगे तो पॉइंट किसका हो जाएगा, dx का हो जाएगा। जो भी x एक्सिस होगा उसको लेना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप इंटीग्रेशन जो करेंगे वे x एक्सिस के वैल्यूज को करेंगे। गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? पहली बात मेरी सुनिए, यहाँ पर y है, y को आप किसमें चेंज करें, x, y you are changing because here we have a dx equation first of all right। तो यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे तो x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1। You will do one thing, y square by b square equal to 1 minus x square by a square। Is it clear? a square minus x square। Is it clear? So y square by b square equal to a square minus x square by a square। Is it clear? Get out to this one. Y square by b square equal to a square minus x square by a square। Now if you can say x square upon b square equal to a square minus x square by a square। Is it clear? If I will check it, what you are getting, that y square by b square equal to a square minus x square by a square। Is it clear? So y square equal to, this will be multiplied, so this will multiply b square a square minus x square by a square। Is it clear? Now what we will do, we will change it into, when you can change it, y is equal to root b square by a square minus x square। Is it clear? So y equal to b by a will be outside root a square minus x square। Is it clear? Y is equal to b by a root a square minus x square। Is it clear? Clear? Getting my point? Without any problem in this? Now we have a point of a y. Y is equal to, but everybody know when anything will come outside of a root, it will be plus minus. It will be plus minus. So no worry at all. We will take positive. Why you will take positive? Because this one is positive. X is also positive and y is also positive. Is it clear? Now what we will do? If you will take y is equal to b by a square minus x square. 4 into area enclosed integration b by a root a square minus x square dx 0 to a। Is it clear? 0 to a। Now this is the integrate. Same formula will be applied, multiply with 4। Is it clear? So this is the simple method to solve all these questions। Clear? And after that we will apply definite integral upper limit minus lower limit। Is it clear? This is the method of doing the questions। ये जो सिंगल कर्व रहेगा, when you have a double curve, let us suppose you have a parabola as well as line also। Parabola is cutting, line is cutting the parabola, and at that time you have to calculate the area limit of that standard line। So उसमें भी आपको बताता हूँ। अभी तो जैसे मैंने dx की स्टेप लिया है, अगर आप ये स्टेप dy पे लें तो भी एक क्वेश्चन होगा, बस पॉइंट को आपको बदल जाएगा। जो y इक्वल टू आपको डालना है क्या निकालेंगे, x इक्वल टू, गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? प्रोसीजर समझ में आया? ये तरीका है इस क्वेश्चन का। बहुत बच्चे कंफ्यूज रहते हैं, एवरी टाइम स्टूडेंट्स आर इन कंफ्यूजन। ओनली द मेन थिंग इज व्हिच स्ट्रिप यू आर टेकिंग। स्ट्रिप एक्स लेने के बाद जैसे आपने y dx लिया, यहाँ y है तो यहाँ dx होगा, यहाँ dx है तो यहाँ y है, y की वैल्यू पुट किया, y की वैल्यू पुट करोगे तो x के टर्म में होगा, x के टर्म में तो पॉइंट अपने आप x का यहाँ पे रहेगा। ये कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि पॉइंट आपने x का मतलब x में आप चेंज कर चुके हो, तो पॉइंट अब किसका लिखोगे, x का लिखोगे, नहीं चेंज करते इज डिफरेंट। Is it clear? In the general solution, we are not changing the y into x, but in the questions we are changing y into x. That will be whatever the dx according to that we will find the point from the x axis. Getting my point? The main concept is how to take a strip on perpendicular to x axis you are taking or perpendicular to y axis you are taking, depending on this. Clear? The area of the region bounded by the curve and the line. Bounded by the curve and the line. Okay. This is what we will do in this type of question. Like if you have a question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square and the line y equal to 4. Question is find the area. Find the area of the region bounded. What are the region bounded by the curve y equal to x square and y is equal to y equal to x square. Y equal to x square means upward parabola. Y equal to x square is upward parabola. Y equal to 4 parallel to x axis. Y equal to 4 means parallel to x axis. Getting my point? If x equal to 4 parallel to y axis, y equal to parallel to x axis. If I will calculate this area will simply calculated. Yeah. तो दिया हुआ है कि ये जो रीजन है इसका निकाला भी पूरे So, 2 into area enclosed by OAD. Now we have to take this step. Axis or y. Axis or y. Axis is difficult. नहीं ले सकते. Y. Everybody knows that y equal to 4. Okay? So y equal to 4 means here you are getting 0, 4. This one. Y equal to 4 is what? We're talking about this one. So if you can take this one, so 2 x divided 2 into x Now we have to calculate the value of an x. Everybody knows y equal to x square and y equal to 4. Y equal to x square is x square equal to y equal to x square. We have to calculate the value of an x. X equal to root y. X equal to root y. हो जाएगा 2 root y. यहाँ पे dy है तो पॉइंट पे y का क्या है स्टार्टिंग में 0 कहाँ तक जा रहा है 0 और का 4 y equal to 4 is the line 2 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया because we have to calculate whole area this area also so first you will calculate this area multiply it clear and then you will get 2 into integration of y power 1 by 2 y 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 0 to 4 that what you will get 2 into y 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 0 to well clear any doubt now we will discuss area between two curves. Going on, area between two curves. Is it clear? We'll discuss area between two curves. Area between two curves. Clear? Let us suppose you have a two curves. I will start with one question. Find the area of the region bounded by two parabolas y is equal to x square and x square equal to y. We have one parabola y is equal to x square and second one is y equal to y square equal to x. And you have to go for a area between these two regions. Solution if you can go. It's an example only. If somebody is for y equal to x square. Side, upside, right or wrong? Right. Now we have y square equal to x. If you have a confusion, you can do one thing more. If you are getting y square equal to x, you can do y equal to x. So if you are getting y square equal to x, here you have y equal to x square. Y equal to x square. Everybody knows the graph of y equal to x square. Upward. Y square equal to x, the same thing, but axis will change. It will be on y axis. Yeah. Touching the y axis, and you can say upward for the x axis, like this. This will be y square equal to x, and this will be y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square, y square equal to x. Means this area is a common area. If this area is a common area, we have to calculate it. We have to calculate it. This area will be the common area, so we have to calculate it. How we will calculate? देखो था कि स्ट्रिप बना दिया, कर लिया, अब कैसे करें? डिफरेंस ऑफ कर्व मिलेगा। क्या करेंगे? डिफरेंस ऑफ कर्व मिलेगा। एक कर्व से दूसरे को हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे। पहला जो कर्व है हमारा, दोनों से देखेंगे सबसे ऊपर की तरफ कौन सा? यहाँ पे ये अगर इसको देखें तो ये y इक्वल टू x इसमें से फ्रॉम दिस वन you have to minus this one, इस वाले से ये वाला
माइनस निकल
that will be the region.
यस
So what we will do, if we have y equal to x square and one is y square equal to x. First of all, we will calculate the point of intersection. We have to calculate the point of intersection. Here, you are getting the point is 0, origin. But what will be this point? Point A. The point of intersection. Point of intersection निकालने का अच्छा तरीका है. What we have to do? We have y equal to x square and y square equal to x. X की वैल्यू उठा के अगर मैं y में पुट कर दूं या y की वैल्यू उठा के x में पुट कर दूं, ठीक है? x equal to y, y is equal to x equal to y, x equal to y square. यहाँ पे ये कर दो y equal to x square है, ये भी है मेरे पास और ये भी है। तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास y equal to y square equal to x है, y equal to क्या होता है? root x हो जाएगा। y equal to root x, y equal to root x यहाँ पर कर सकता हूँ। So I will put y equal to root x, root x equal to x. Now we have root x equal to x square, squaring both sides. This will be x equal to x power 4. X power 4 minus x equal to 0. X power 4 minus x equal to 0. Now we have to go for a points. Points निकालने का तरीका ये है that x power 4 minus x equal to 0. Now what we will do? Take x will be common. X power 4 minus x equal to x will be common. X will minus 4 equal to x will be 0. X cube equal to what will be the value of x? 1, right? X equal to 0 and x equal to 1 according to you. Clear? X equal to 0 and x equal to 1, तो x की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे, you will get the points of at y. When you can put x equal to 1, is that clear? When you can put x equal to 1 there,
y equal
1 स्क्वायर y इक्वल टू
1
x की वैल्यू जब 1 होगी तो y की क्या होगा?
1
ये पॉइंट हो गया, ये क्या हो जाएगा?
1 1
The point will be 1 comma 1. If the point will be 1 comma 1, point clear हो गया, ये point भी clear है 0 comma. अब हमें इंटीग्रेट करना है. We have to integrate and we have to take the difference. एक कर्व fx है तो दूसरा कर्व क्या है आपका gx है. fx माइनस fx कौन सा होगा? देखिए ऊपर की तरफ है. gx कौन सा होगा? नीचे की तरफ. Is it clear? So what we will do? इंटीग्रेशन ब्रैकेट लगा दें. अब ये भी एक पॉइंट है कि आप y का पॉइंट ले रहे हैं कि x का पॉइंट ले रहे हैं. तो आप जब y ले जाएंगे 0 to 1 जाएंगे, x ले भी जाएंगे तो 0 to 1 गेटिंग माय पॉइंट. जैसे मैं लिखता था y dx का मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं वहां पे y की वैल्यू रखूंगा तो पॉइंट dx का होगा बेस x dy by you can put the value of an x, you will put the point of an dy. Getting my point? In the same manner, 0 to 1 you will go. Even you can take x axis and even you can take y axis. 1 comma 1 there is the point. You will go from 0 to 1. fx minus gs. fx जो है वे क्या है? ये है. gs जो है आपका ये है. यहाँ से अगर y की वैल्यू निकालें, y की वैल्यू क्या है? x है. और यहाँ से y की वैल्यू क्या है आपका? x स्क्वायर. Is that clear? fx की वैल्यू क्या होगी आपकी? That this one y square equal to x. That one is root x. Root x minus y equal to x square dx. That one is 0 to 1. So that अब ये डिफरेंस आप कर निकलने के बाद 0 to 1 अब इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 root x dx minus इंटीग्रेशन 0 to 1 x square dx. Is it clear? Clear? Any doubt at all? 0 to 1 root x dx minus 0 to 1 x square dx. Is it clear? x power 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 0 to 1 minus x power 3 upon 3 0 to 1. Is it clear? अब आप इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, you will get the value, you will get this value. This is the procedure of doing the question you will get when you will get getting my point? Yes. Area note is very simple, but you have to know the concept. Is it clear? Area bound is very simple. If you can take it, lots of questions are given in your book, and static equations are examples given दोनों area difference also and area of the single region also. इन दोनों के पास आप examples कर लीजिए NCERT का. Questions नहीं भी करेंगे तो आप चलिए, क्योंकि जो examples दिया है same questions उसके exercise में miscellaneous तक करिएगा. Clear? And you will get 1 or 2 more questions are there, but main concept होगा. उसमें कोई concept बचा नहीं. Point निकाला मैंने बता दिया, स्टेप्स बता दिया, पॉइंट लेना बता दिया, दो कर्व का बता दिया आपको. दो कर्व बस ये आपका जो ऊपर है तो उसके नीचे ऊपर वाले से नीचे को माइनस करना, और माइनस करना रखिए. ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने कंप्लीट कर दी. एंड यू हैव टू डू फ्रॉम योर साइड. More and more examples we have to do. Clear? Getting my point?